Start a climb. That's good.
Okay. Climb.
Yeah. Tell everybody you're climbing.
Long Beach Pattern Cherokee project will go east of the breakwater, climbing and climbing. 2,500 Cherokee project will go.
You're 1,200, climbing 2,500.
Yes.
And you're at the east end of the breakwater.
East of the breakwater.
East end. East end. E-N-D. East
okay.
end. East end of the breakwater.
East end of the breakwater. Where it's cool, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Long Beach traffic Cherokee project will go east end of the breakwater at 1,500, climbing to 2,000, and southbound Cherokee project.
And you can start turning northbound.
Turning northbound?
Yeah, and start working on the ATIS for Long Beach. So we can go back to Long Beach.
Go back to Long Beach?
Yeah.
Back northbound first?
Okay. Or you can start listening on the ATIS.
Tower frequency 119. Runway 30 departures and runway 26 right. Tower frequency 120.5. All departing aircraft are requested to contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 with position and departure point. All ground traffic use 133.0.
Change 121.95.
Long Beach Airport use caution. Runway 30 approach lighting out of service. Crate 0.2 miles southeast of field 180 feet. Crate 0.4 miles west of field 181 feet. Advise contact information Echo.
Echo.
Long Beach Airport information. Echo. 1 ILS runway 30 approaching use. Runway 30 arrivals and runway 26 left. Tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures and runway 26 right. Tower frequency 120.5. All departing aircraft are requested to contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15.
Okay, don't go north of the breakwater.
All ground traffic use 133.0. And hold your operation in effect. Notice airmen. Good activity in the Vicinity Long Beach Airport use caution. Runway 30 approach lighting out of service. Crane 0.2 miles southeast of field 180 feet. Crane 0.4 miles west of field 181 feet. Advise contact information Echo.
I have to listen at each.
Okay.
Long Beach Airport information Echo 19530. Wind 190 at 9, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 22, dew point 11, altimeter 3000. ILS runway 30 approaching use. Runway 30 arrivals and runway 26 left. Tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures and runway 26 right. Tower frequency 120.5. All departing aircraft are requested to contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 with position and departure point. All ground traffic use 133.0. And hold your operation in effect.
Okay, watch out. Keep
caution. Runway 30 approach lighting out of service. Crate 0.2 miles southeast of field 180.
Yeah, see that airplane? You need to pay extra attention when you're in the practice area. Because that was head on to a Cessna.
Okay.
Papa Tango, turn left at Foxtrot 3, Pentagon.
Foxtrot 3, over to ground, so Papa Tango.
November 604, turn base at the 605 freeway. Turn base at the 605 freeway, Skyhawk 604.
Just look outside, right? What is that part? What is that?
Here?
Yeah, what is that? Where are you?
I would say 2 miles east of Kings Gate.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee 840, they go 2 miles east of Kings Gate at 2000, request landing runway 26, maybe information echo.
Cherokee 8408, after Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Main left traffic, runway 26 left, Cherokee 840, they go. Let's go.
Catalan 91, taxi to the boat, 3 Foxtrot 4.
Yeah, the best place to find our location is just out the window. You know, we were right over the east end of the breakwater.
East end of the breakwater.
Yeah.
Cherokee 853, left closed, traffic approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, traffic on a 1 mile final.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, left closed traffic, 80853.
Aircraft 459, Long Beach Tower, are you full stop?
Negative. We request the southbound mid, crew check 459.
Clear check 459, southbound prior to a 1 mile final.
Southbound prior to 1 mile final, crew check 459.
Do you want to
431, turn base at
continue
the
to Bezos
605
flight,
freeway.
or do you want to call it a day? Your choice.
Maybe I can continue.
Maybe?
Continue.
Or maybe continue? Or do you feel confident?
Confident.
Okay, you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I will go around the area then.
Long Beach Tower,
Okay.
number 646 Rebel, holding short 26 left 4 left, close traffic.
November 646 Charlie Bravo, Long Beach Tower, hold short about 926 left.
Hold short 26 left, 646 Charlie Bravo.
November 604, turn base, runway 26 left, clear for the option. Turn left base, clear for the option, runway 26 left, Scott, 604.
So just be really careful when you're out in the practice area. It's very dangerous.
Yes. Okay.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 6295 Delta, hold show over runway 26 left, declare straight out departure.
Cessna 6295 Delta, Long Beach Tower, hold short, runway 26 left.
Position on runway 26 left, 95 Delta.
That's going to be a problem. See, there's 8
And November 08 Echo, turn left 20 degrees, follow traffic on the downwind 1000, 11 o'clock in a mile.
Turn left 20 degrees and follow the traffic, okay, for Charlie Echo.
And Cessna 48 Echo, extend your upwind.
Channel Winpoint Echo.
You see the traffic?
Yes, there's traffic.
Yeah.
Trying to start set Mike Alpha contact ground.
Ground 565.
Yeah, use extreme caution when we're approaching the hill.
Okay.
There's a lot of room for a conflict with traffic.
Attack 459, start your southbound turn now.
Turn right now, crew check 459.
Left clear, front clear, right clear.
Cessna 48 Echo, turn crosswind.
Ground code 9, ground point.
And loading.
Attack 459, maintain VFR, southbound, contact SoCal approach on 125.35.
Main VFR southbound over to approach on 125.35, crew check 459.
Cherokee 853, turn base at the 605.
Turn base at 605, Cherokee 8053.
Yankee 08 Echo, turn base at the 605.
Turn base 605, okay, for Charlie Echo.
Now 3 Delta Golf, runway 26 left, line up and wait, traffic on a 2 mile final.
Your crosswind corrections are really, really good.
Okay.
Yeah, above average crosswind correction.
Okay.
Yeah, very good crosswind.
Thank you.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee 80853 with the go request left at the river.
Cherokee 853, roger. November 604, expect pattern work on 26 right. Extend your upwind and contact tower 120.5. Expect pattern work on pattern work on 26 right. Can I get that frequency again? Extending upwind, Sky 604. 604, contact Long Beach Tower 120.5. Expecting Long Beach Tower on 120.5, Sky 604. Thank you. Cessna 3 Delta Golf, left close traffic, runway 26 left, start takeoff. 26 left, left close traffic, triple takeoff, 3 Delta Golf. Cessna 431, runway 26 left, cleared for the option, traffic departing runway 30 ahead of you.
Runway 26 left, clear for the option 431.
6 Charlie Bravo, we'll just make it a left at the river.
November 6 Charlie Bravo, roger.
Long Beach Tower, link 737 Papa Tango, holding short 26 left, in sequence, left close traffic.
737 Papa Tango, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Slow down to 90, please, especially if it's bumpy.
Okay.
Pitch up.
Cessna 4 Echo, base turn at the 605.
Pitch up trip.
There you go.
There you go.
It's 605, Echo.
The airplane can fly at any airspeed during level flight.
Okay.
So, if you want to fly slower, just gotta pitch up a little bit so that the airplane can fly slower.
Okay.
If you want to fly slow, just pitch up and reduce power. And then here's the 605. You can say
Cessna 6 Charlie Bravo, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
They
26 left, line up and
base.
raise, 646 Charlie Bravo.
I say 605.
Cherokee further deco at 605.
Base at the 605, Cherokee 0 Echo.
Okay.
Base approach, Cherokee further deco.
Just maintain pattern, please. Add some power. Add some power. Look at the airspeed. Pitch up a little bit.
Support drawing, contact ground,
Contact ground 431.
November 6 Charlie Bravo, left of the river is approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Left of the river, clear 26 left, clear for takeoff, 646 Charlie Bravo.
Cessna 905 Delta, traffic on a 1.5 miles, final, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Runway 95 Delta, runway 26 left.
Cherokee 853, traffic holding in position, discontinue.
Make sure you're at 80.
Cessna 905 Delta, straight out departure, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Straight out departure, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Cherokee 853, runway 26 left, cleared for the option, left turn at the river.
Clear for the option 26 left, right, left at the river, clear for the option 8 right, left 3.
Cherokee 08 Echo, number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option, Cherokee further deco.
The 48 Echo, number 3, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, runway 26 left, clear for the option, plane echo.
Full stop, right?
November 3 Delta Golf, turn base at the 605 freeway. Traffic will be in position ahead of you.
Left, base at 605, 3 Delta Golf.
Below VFA, flat 3.
Pitch down. Pitch down. Full stop. Yeah. Ailerons, aileron, maximum, more aileron. Okay, good. Okay. Now keep going.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 67431, holding short runway 26 left for left close traffic in sequence.
Okay, get off the runway.
Cherokee 08 Echo, contact ground.
Get off the.
Contact ground, Cherokee further deco.
Okay.
November 6 7431 Long Beach Tower, hold short of runway 26 left.
Hold short 26 left, 431.
Run up. Okay, run up.
Okay. Run up.
Okay.
Via Kilo 26 right, 1488 Mike.
Beach ground, Cherokee, further with echo, clear runway 26 left at Foxtrot 3, request text to runoff area.
Cherokee 408 Echo Long Beach ground, taxi via Foxtrot to the run-up area.
Taxi via Foxtrot to runoff area, Cherokee, further with echo. Right clear, front clear, left.
Hey, ground, wind check.
Wind 200 at 11.
Ooh. Thank you. Yeah, 11 knot crosswind. Well, the component is more like 8 or 9.
Yeah.
So it wasn't too bad. There, correction, please. Wind correction. Yeah, but yeah, good job on the crosswind.
Thank you.
Yeah, a lot of fighting.
Yeah.
Fighting.
45 Delta, runway, run up complete.
November 45 Delta, continue taxi.
Senior taxi, 45 Delta.
Oh wow. Did that big airplane just turn into the run up?
Scared.
Scared?
Not scared.
No, you're not. Michan never scared.
November 45 Delta, wait for the Cherokee in front of the tower and then continue taxi.
Continue after the Cherokee 45 Delta.
Reduce some power. Reduce some speed.
Yeah.
Reduce speed. Well, let's go spot number 4 then.
Number 4.
Yeah, we don't want to get too close to a 1,000 horsepower Cessna.
Okay. Number 4?
Yeah. Actually, we could do number 6. Let's go all the way down. It's okay.
Number 6?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go more left. I don't want to hit it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go right. Alright, here's good. Thank you.
Yep.
Long Beach ground, Cessna 73 Delta Golf, student solo, clear of 26 left, at Foxtrot 3, request to back to 26 left.
Engine shutdown checklist.
73 Delta Golf, Long Beach
Brake set,
ground, runway
throttle
26
1000,
left,
avionics
taxi
switch
via
off.
Foxtrot.